students, so now we will discuss our part B of lecture 1. So students, here this is the first meeting between Samir 1 and Samir 2. So Samir 1 is describing about by whom he used to see at Janpat crossing busy intersection, and it is a very busy area, and he used to tell that every time he used to cycle pass at from that area. And the newspaper seller's boy, who is Samir 2, used to hold out a English paper and speak loudly the headline. Speak loudly the headline. Evening headline. The mixture of Hindi and English words. So one day, what happens? Samir 1 stopped by the payment, and he asked to Samir 2 for the Hindi paper. So when Hindi paper. So when Samir 2 heard that Samir 1 is asking for the Hindi paper, so he was very much surprised, and his mouth fell open. Samir 2 told to Samir 1, "Do you know Hindi?" So Samir 1 well making payment for the paper and said that, "Yes, I know Hindi. Even I can read and write Hindi." So Samir 2 told that, "You look so Angrez." And Samir 1 mentioned that Hindi was one of the subjects he had studied in his school. When Samir 2 heard about this word subject, he said, "What does the subject mean?" Because Samir 2 had never been to school, so he don't know the meaning of the subject. So by the time Samir 1 was going to tell Samir 2 the definition of the subject, the traffic light changed, and he has to go away from there. Yes, so this was the second meeting, Samir 1 and Samir 2. So the next day, Samir 2 was having smile and on his face, and he is holding out a Hindi paper, and he said, "भैया आपका पेपर." सो अब बताइए ये सब्जेक्ट क्या होता है, क्या चीज़ है ये सब्जेक्ट. So when he was trying to pronounce the word subject, he was looking very strange, because he has never went to English school. So Samir 1 told to Samir 2 that is something relating to the study. And then he asked to Samir 2, "Have you ever been to school?" So Samir 2 very proudly said that, "I had never went to school," and he is selling the newspaper. First his mother used to come with him, but now he has to do this job alone. So Sameer ek asked to Sameer Do, where is your mother? So and while Sameer Do told that his mother is in Meerut, so the traffic line again changed and Sameer ek has to go. And he heard a very little, very low voice which was very yelling behind him. So in the next day, it was the third meeting of between Sameer ek and Sameer Do. On that day, Sameer Do, who was the newspaper seller boy, he asked Sameer ek name. So Sameer ek told that my name is Sameer, and the another name for Hanuman father. So after hearing his Sameer Do told that okay, from now you will be Sameer ek and I will be Sameer Do. So hearing this very casually, Sameer ek and told okay fine, हाथ मिलाओ. And so Sameer Do shaking a hand with Sameer ek, and Sameer ek felt very warmness in Sameer Do hand, and it was like a little bird. Okay, so so the next day Sameer ek again met Sameer Do, but on that day Sameer Do was not having his usual smile on his face. And he told the Sameer ek that there is a trouble in Meerut. So Sameer ek told that yes, I have read the headlines that there is a communal riots in the Meerut. And then Sameer Do told that he is a Muslim Sameer and his all family members are in Meerut, and his eyes filled with tears. So after hearing this, Sameer ek tried to console Sameer Do, and that was the last day Sameer ek had ever seen Sameer Do, and on that day Sameer ek was not able to see Sameer Do. Yes, students. So that's all for today. Have a good day.